Morning, class. Today we're going to be working on probability. And we're going to be examining the case where we're finding the probability of two events. Normally, if the sets are disjoint, we add the two probabilities together and everything is beautiful. But today we're going to talk about one case where the sets are overlapping. So what I like to use is a deck of cards. You know that. Used to me by now. I like a deck of cards because they can be broken down into many subsets, like different colors, red or black. We can have hearts, diamonds, spades, and clubs. We can have queens. We can have numbers less than 10. We can have all kinds of varieties of subsets. So today we're going to find probability. That's way too thick. Change out the color to a little bit paper. Probability. Let me erase that because I just realized that I was using the wrong pen. All right, let's go back. This time we're going to come over here and I'm ready to start now. So we're going to find the probability of picking a card at random from a deck of cards that are shuffled. And they are regular deck of cards, 52 cards, no jokers, no wild cards, just a regular deck. And if you don't know the particulars of a deck of cards, you can go to MyMathLab and print up the handout that I've posted there. So print it out and keep it because you can use it for homework and you can use it for tests. No problem. All right. So we're going to talk about the probability of picking one card. We're going to say, what's the probability of getting a heart or a queen? Queens, beautiful queens. All right. So, well, you probably think we'll find the probability of a heart, and we'll add it together to the probability of a queen, just like we do in set theory. In set theory, we add the number of elements in the first set. We add those to the number of elements in the second set. All right, so let's try that, and we'll see where we're going to have a fallacy show up. So the probability of a heart would be, there's 13 hearts out of the 52 total cards in the deck. And we're going to add the probability of getting a queen. And there are 4 queens out of 52. So let's take a look at that with a Venn diagram and see where the fallacy is. Right, here's our full Venn diagram. And we're going to make a red circle. Okay, that's going to be the hearts. And we're going to make a black circle for the queens, but wait a minute. If I put the queens separate, like over here, that wouldn't be true because there does exist a queen that's a heart. Actually, it is the queen of hearts. So that has to go in both sets. These are the queens. But the queen of hearts, oh dear. So anyway, let's just make a mark. And maybe I'll do it like this. Queen of hearts is in there. So what happens then? Well, actually, when we have an overlap, we're going to subtract out that overlap. Is there a card that is a heart and a queen, which we've written right here? That would be the queen of hearts. There's only one card out of the 52 that is both a heart and a queen, the queen of hearts. And so we're going to add these together. 17, take away 1 is 16 chances out of 52, which simplifies by dividing by 4. 4 chances out of 13. And there you have it. Perfect. Any questions? All right, so did that answer all your questions? All right, we'll see you again next week. Take care.